want you to make a decision. Don't think about it too long, okay? Someone has been murdered. The police found the killer, and the evidence is undeniable. You are the judge. What happens next? Most people answer immediately. Prison. They choose this. They deserve it. Now let me change one tiny detail. The killer is a 14-year-old. Did your answer change? Welcome to Looskeh. I'm Looskeh.
And I'm Mr. Mingo. Why did it? The victim didn't become any less dead. The crime didn't become any less serious. And only one thing changed: the age of the person sitting in front of you.
Well, maybe it shouldn't matter. A life was taken.
Let me ask you something. Would you let a 14-year-old fly a passenger plane?
Of course not.
Why?
Because they are too young, obviously.
Exactly. We don't trust children with hundreds of lives. Sometimes we don't even trust them with a car. Yet, after a murder, some people expect them to reason like adults.
So what are you saying? Children don't know murder is wrong?
No, must do. Knowing something is wrong and having an adult's judgment are not the same thing.
But millions of teenagers get angry, millions get bullied, millions grow up in broken homes. I mean, most never kill anyone.
There is no single explanation. Violence isn't born from one thing. It's a collision, personality, environment, impulse, opportunity, and sometimes all in the same moment.
So, if psychology can't explain every case, how does a judge decide?
By asking a different question. Not why did this happen, but what should happen now?
That sounds easier, kinda.
It's harder. One person is dead, the other still have future. Whatever the judge decides, someone will believe justice has failed.
Has a court really faced that?
Many times. One case has stayed with me. A 15-year-old student in Iran. An argument with his physics teacher. A knife. Minutes later, the teacher was dead.
Most people hear that and ask one question. Did he do it?
The evidence answered that. The court had to answer something else. Should this boy be judged only by what he did, or also by who he still was?
A murderer? Or a child?
Both. That's the problem.
I don't like that answer.
Neither do judges. The law likes clear lines. Reality rarely gives them that.
So how do different countries deal with it?
Very differently. Some begins with the crime, some begins with the child. The answer they reach depends on which question they asked first.
I don't think it's really about murder.
No, it's about justice. More specifically, what justice is for. Punishment, protection, or redemption. The world has never agreed.
Neither have I. I mean, when this started, I knew what sentence I would give. But now I'm not even sure what question I'm supposed to answer. You, Mr. Mingo, my friend, said every country asks a different question. So, what are they asking?
South Korea, a string of violent crimes by young offenders, and one question on every front page. Are we protecting children or protecting criminals?
That's a question people ask everywhere.
Yes, but another question followed. If a child commits an adult crime, should we stop treating him like a child? Some said yes, and other people said that's exactly when childhood matters most.
Same crime, different answers.
The United States doesn't even agree with itself. Some states try children as adults, others refuse to. 50 states, no single answer. And the real debate isn't age, it's responsibility.
So, one country asks, what punishment fits this crime? Another asks, what kind of person could this child still become?
And then there is Iran. The court didn't only ask what he did, it asked whether he understood it, truly understood it. Not everyone agrees. That's the right question. but it's a different philosophy.
It's strange. Every country says life is valuable. Every country says murder is wrong. Yet they still reach different conclusions.
Because they are trying to avoid different mistakes. Punish too harshly, and you may destroy someone who could have changed. Punish too lightly, and you risk telling victims that justice wasn't enough.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead, say it.
Can people really change?
Some do, and some don't. The difficult part is no judge can see the future. Every sentence is a decision made with imperfect knowledge.
Huh. So every courtroom is making its best guess.
In a way, yes. Not about whether the crime happened, about who the person might become.
That's terrifying.
It is. Justice isn't about the past, it's also a bet on the future.
And sometimes that bet is wrong.
Yes. Sometimes someone changes, sometimes they don't. The law decides before it knows which.
Do you remember the first thing I asked you?
You are the judge.
I thought I already knew the answer. Now, I'm not sure that is a right one.
Maybe we have been looking for the perfect sentence. Perhaps there isn't one, only difficult choices.
So maybe justice isn't measured by whether everyone agrees. Maybe it's measured by how carefully we choose when there are no good options.
A child can commit an unforgivable act. A victim deserves justice. Both are true. The hard part is honoring one without erasing the other. The moment we think that's easy is the moment we stop seeing the person in front of us.
So, you are still the judge. What's your verdict? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Looskeh for more videos about law, human rights, psychology, and the biggest questions shaping our world.
Tell us what you think in the comments.
Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts below in the comments. I'm Looskeh.
And I'm Master Mingo.
See you in the next video.
This is Looskeh.